नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है पीपीएम अवेयरनेस सेशन में। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे के पिलर की। के पिलर में हम आज बात करेंगे लॉस नंबर 1, इक्विपमेंट फेल्यूर। जब इक्विपमेंट फेल्यूर हो जाता है तो ऑपरेटर थोड़ा नर्वस हो जाता है। वो सोचता है कि मैकेनिक कहाँ है, आज मुझे ओवर टाइम करना पड़ेगा या मुझे वीकेंड में ओवर टाइम करना पड़ेगा। सो यू कैनॉट मेक प्रोडक्ट व्हेन द इक्विपमेंट ब्रेक डाउन। सो ये फेल्योर लॉस, देयर इज अ 2 टाइप्स ऑफ फेल्योर लॉस। लॉस नंबर 1 है इक्विपमेंट फेल्योर लॉस एंड लॉस नंबर 1 बी ब्रेकडाउन लॉस। दिस लॉस इज एक्सप्रेस इन टाइम। लॉस नंबर 1 is the time lost by the equipment due to breakdown involving the replacement of spare part, and loss number 1b is the time lost by the equipment due to a breakdown not involving any replacement of spare part. Since zero breakdown is our objective, target for this loss is also zero, and this loss affects availability, OE and OPE. General problem with failures: low interest by production sector. Production thinks failure should be handled by maintenance. Weak attitude towards failure analysis, like phenomena are not observed in detail. Broken location and place nearby are not examined fully. Enough genjutsu is not collected and analyzed. Causes are not pursued fully and only actions are taken maintenance. Measures for preventing reoccurrence are not taken and failures are not analyzed and on site. Another criteria is maintenance system and operation of it are weak. Check criteria are not defined. Example: check frequency, location, method and 300 criteria. Maintenance calendar easily showing part replacement and overhauling periods, oiling and oil change and other items, and operation systems for it are weak. Failure history system. Then attitude towards predictive maintenance, like condition based maintenance is weak. Measured values fluctuates greatly and are not reliable. Measured values do not change for a long time and lost confidence in audit results. Periodic measurement and trend control are not implemented. So now we see what are the Kaizen program for failure losses. So there are 3 types of steps here. Steps for zero failure: what is the production role and what is the maintenance role. So classify and rearrange past failures, like line and equipment, failure location, failure mode, cause, periodic or repeated failure, and classified by easy. So production role is understand and take action on manufacturing responsibilities. Example: operational errors, training, etc. Study failures which can be dealt with by GCU Hosen. Then maintenance role: failure which occur again based on maintenance record. Take permanent measure on failure on which only temporary measures are taken. Second is failure analysis and Gemba checks. Reanalyzing failure that have occurred again and through analysis of new failures. Here the role of production is analyze failure as our own problem. Repeat YY analysis. Check similar equipment and location and correct Fugai. Maintenance role is throughout analysis and guidance. Verify and take actions on repair errors. Like steps for zero failure: eliminated force deterioration and restore deterioration left unattended. In this, production role is find and restore Fugai by cleaning, provide basic condition, learn and observe operating condition. Maintenance role: correct, train and guide Fugai. Consolidation and guide operating conditions, eliminate force deterioration of invisible parts. Fourth case is study and improve weakness. So improve basic conditions so that they can be maintained easily. Places difficult to check, clean and oil. Enforce visual control. Make general checks of equipment. Maintenance role: analyze and correct design weakness. Study measure to lengthen life and improve mechanism. Then prepare and consolidate standards. Here we are preparing GCU Hosen manual and check by checklist and restore this deterioration. Maintenance role is prepare periodic maintenance manual. Determine lives and equipment and composite parts. Deterioration pattern, like, and analyze relationship between equipment, accuracy and quality characteristics. Then maintenance efficiency for this zero failure. Production role is enhance visual control. Maintenance role is enhance maintainability maintenance, like survey, precautions, work, etc. enhance spare part management, which is the most important criteria, good housekeeping of drawing and other documents. Then explosion of predictive maintenance, status monitoring and trend control by simple diagnosis and equipment. Maintenance role is determine deterioration and predict life by precision diagnosis equipment. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच दोस्तों ये वीडियो देखने के लिए। अगर आप तक आपने मेरे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर नहीं किया है तो प्लीज कीजिए, एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ वीडियो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। थैंक यू, मीट अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन।